Nothing lasts forever. YouTube has killed DVD. CD plate has killed cassette. Phone has killed post office. SMS has killed the writing of letters. Email has killed fax. Civilization has killed culture. Computer has killed typewriter. Money has killed true love. Google has killed dictionary. Wikipedia has killed encyclopedia. No condition is permanent. At the end of this life, death will kill life and resurrection will kill death. But one thing lasts forever, the word of the Almighty God. So, in this world, be humble, because by the time it has all ended, the soil on which we tread today will become even more important than us. And the human body we so much cherish today will someday decay and be of absolutely no value as we leave behind everything we have ever acquired. Thank you.